Yo, what's up guys? Mikey Cass back at it with another, dropshipping video. And actually in this video, we're gonna be auditing websites. There's so many beginners in dropshipping, especially in 2020. A lot of bad and shitty websites out there that's not gonna convert. You can have a fire product, you can have fire marketing, you can have everything great and everything in line. But if your website's shitty, literally no one's gonna trust you, right? Because people wanna buy into brands nowadays and they're gonna say, what kind of brand is fucking, this website looks like trash, So in this video, I'm gonna basically audit websites and, show you how to professionally make one and at least just have it so it converts. And it's gonna be very simple. I'm just gonna look at these 3 websites real quick and tell you what I think. Okay, so now that we're on this first website, it's like a back aligner. I'll get into this in a second, but I did get all these websites actually from my followers. So my Instagram is Mikey Cass, whatever, links in the bio. I'm not gonna plug myself and shit, whatever, but yeah, these are all my followers things and I all got the consent and stuff like that. So okay, so this first one is Dr. Refreshment. Okay, I guess it's like Dr. Pepper's cousin, but so yeah, refresh your spine, refresh your life. Honestly, this is kind of extra, but the first thing that I do notice is this is a little out of focus, and that's super touchy, especially in product images. It needs to be 100% in focus, but I for sure fuck with this little graphic, how it goes from a gradient from white to actually graphic, so that's dope. First thing I notice is also this currency converter. Currency converters should always be in the bottom right. It's actually weird because standard in these currency converter apps, sometimes it's in the middle right here, sometimes in the left. Make sure it's in this bottom right. That's essential. I use multi-currency converter. That's one I recommend. This one's different. Yeah, you can go right in that bottom right, which will be perfect. So as you scroll down, why do I need this? When poor posture is not fixed, it slowly leads into more problems. You don't need to say this, just go straight to the point. And honestly, not too many people are reading text, but since you're here, be like, why do I need this? Because if you don't, so you're gonna get headaches, muscle fatigue, body aches, back pain, and poor focus, stuff like that. Just go straight to the fucking point. This is all just BS. When poor posture is not fixed, it slowly leads into more problems. Just go straight to the problems. Made for everyday use. That's pretty dope. I know people can actually wear hoodies with this product, so maybe show how you can wear this product in public and nobody will know, or you don't even know, you just have it over a hoodie because you can just slip a hoodie. So that's super dope. Here's what our customers are saying. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's just reviews. I'm gonna go to the product page real quick. Dr. Refreshment Body Posture Corrector. Honestly, I'd like to see a photo of this man, Dr. Refreshment. So if you can just take up a fake photo of a doctor, something that'd be really powerful. If you have a doctor, maybe some old KFC looking dude, the Colonel KFC guy, just say he's Dr. Refreshment, right? And yeah, and just show him that he's a doctor that enforces this. So it's almost as if it's not even a sales website, yo, I want your money. It's more of yo, I'm looking out for your benefits as a doctor. I recommend, placing your order right here. So that's personally what I would do. And also I do notice this is very, very essential. You actually want to have your logo right here. Right here, all it is just an image. So you want the actual logo name. So Dr. Refreshment, you want to have that right there, or else it just doesn't resonate, Dr. Refreshment and stuff like that. It's just a little weird. So, and then honestly, entrepreneurs, those are things Ty Lopez was saying, they like to show backs and hands on products and stuff like that. But what you actually need to be doing is showing faces. So especially with this product, people want to see faces. It adds credibility, all those things and whatnot. So if you just had these motherfuckers turned around, bro, so we can see their face, that'd be perfect. That'd be great. Other than that, honestly, I don't even know what this is. I guess it's part of the strap. You don't really need this. These photos are just a little too close up. This photo is perfect, the 4 steps to put it on. And this photo, the only other things we would need is maybe a side profile and a front profile or something like that. So right now you only have 4 photos. I also recommend 6 to 8. So size, medium, adjustable, large, and then small. So in variables, I would just say small, medium, large, not small, large, whatever, or medium, large, and small. And then also you don't need adjustable. You can just kind of make it clear in the product description that they're all adjustable. And then another thing is, I'm not a fan of dynamic checkout buttons. So add to cart versus buy it now. Personally, to me, it's just too confusing. I like to have just buy it now or just buy now. You can actually change that in the edit languages section. Very simple. You can just search it up. It's on Google. Secure checkout. Yeah, it's chill. One thing I noticed is you don't have any urgency on this. If you don't have any urgency, there's gonna be no need, for anyone to buy this. So urgency is literally essential. It's almost like a little thing, onomatopoeia. Urgency is a little essential. I can freestyle off that, but yeah, you need urgency, bro. You don't have this, so I would see no reason for anyone to buy this product because there's literally no urgency. Obviously the GIF, I love GIFs. I'm fucking a fan of them, big time. This 100% free shipping thing, I just would recommend putting that in the bottom. Just takes up a lot of space. If you can see from this secure checkout to this, that's a lot of space. So just get rid of that. All this other stuff, long-term fix, This is pretty fine. Main things on this website is change your for sale thing to red. Red's like urgency and shit, or it's like, you know, it's on sale. Dynamic checkout, and then this is very essential right here. This is a big space. This is where eyes are looking in this first fold right here. So if you scroll up, this first fold, so if you can just change that. And then before I hop onto the next website, I would get rid of this sticky add to cart button. Personally, I'm just not a big fan of them, but once again, whatever floats your boat. Okay, and now onto this next website, and oh my fucking god, entrepreneurs nowadays. Look, this face is literally cut off, bro. You know, no hate, heated garments. I love the website and it looks dope and everything, but I can't see this person's face, bro. Faces build credibility, you know, they're so good. So anytime you can implement that in your product pages, I recommend doing that, you know, adding a face, super essential. Forget the colds. Oh my god, this upper header or whatever, this header menu, you have a sticky header, which is what it's called. You can actually change that in the header settings of like customized online store and Shopify. I would just get rid of that. I don't have this on any of my stores. Personally, it's like when you're scrolling, dude, this takes almost 1/3 of the page. Like 33% of the page is being completely fucking blocked by this sticky header menu. It's terrible. You can't see anything. So that right there is driving conversions down like crazy. Stopped intense cold. Add cart, free worldwide shipping from, you know, this to this fire emoji in seconds. Personally, I'd imagine a lot of old people are buying this, so I just get rid of the emojis. They could be like, I don't know, against it, or just kind of like weird to them. So you also don't have many, you only have one product image, bro. That's definitely not good. You need to have more product images, or maybe, yeah, no, you literally have one product image. Yeah, you need to have at least 6 of them. And I know you can do so many different things with this, you know, people wearing it, faces, but you can have so many faces in there. So that's essential. Gifts, all looks good. Just a little bit of urgency and reviews. So, or he actually might have reviews on the actual product page. Yeah, so he has more product images right here, which is all good. Yeah, perfect. So in this case, I would definitely lead them to the actual product page instead of the home page. I think he might have been leading them to the home page. So definitely go to the product page. I always recommend that anytime you have like a sales thing, like Facebook ad, run it straight to the actual product page. That's essential. Electric heated vest. You need to have a custom name, bro. So say like Dr. Onomatopoeia's, you know, electric heated vest. Or actually not that. I was kind of copying off Dr. Refreshments. But maybe say something like cold away, or like hot and jacket, like I don't know, something like that, like a branded name and a little fake trademark thing. So that's what I would do. Definitely a little bit of urgency. Get rid of this header menu. Anyone who's watching this right now, just get rid of a sticky header menu. It's just not good. And you also need to have reviews. That's essential. Other than that, other than just reviews, get rid of that sticky header and urgency. I think you should be golden. And once again, I'm not sure if I would personally sell this product. That's not the point of the video. But if this was a true winner, then this would be a great website. Okay, so this last one is marvelous bottles. I think there should be one L, but whatever. Hopefully this website's a W. It's not an L, but yeah, hopefully it's good. Okay, so first thing I noticed, there's no custom domain, and it's hard to actually pronounce marvelous. So I would change that. I would just say marvelous bottles. That'd be a great name. Marvelous bottles, drink, fill, repeat. Instead of having this granite countertop or marble, I would actually just have the water bottles there. So that's essential. Yeah, you can easily have a trademark name. So just say marvelous water bottles, little trademark. I'm gonna go to the product page. I don't think they actually have a product page. Oh my god, there's just too many images and too many variants. I like to have like 3-4 variants at most, so that's essential. And bro, there's literally product descriptions very minimal. So I think it just goes here. Environment. We believe that using our rebottables can change it to the better. That's pretty dope. Whatever. Simplicity, that's dope. Just say like, make it like a hip thing. I know, but there's fucking Jay Alvarez and 1,000 other Beach Boys repping this marble water bottle thing. So definitely show like celebrities, bro. I'm sure Kylie Jenner has a photo somewhere on Google of her walking down, you know, a freaking Rodeo Drive with like a marble water bottle. So do that. Try to use celebrities in this. Get rid of tax included. Tax is just irrelevant. Not only do us entrepreneurs not pay income tax, but we also don't pay sales tax. That's like a known fact that everybody vouches for. So yeah, just get rid of that. Capacity, just delete the capacity variant. You only have one variant, so they don't even have a fucking decision in this. So yeah, and then once again, dynamic checkout. You need urgency, bro. Honestly, in this, just watch how I structure my product page videos, and that should help you a ton. And then also actually lead them to a product page and not just fucking the home page. So yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, that was the video. And once again, these are just for my followers. I had their consent for all this, so sorry I exposed your store. But yeah, if you guys like the video, I don't know, I have like other ones on my channel and stuff, and my Instagram's down below. And also comment down below. I respond to literally every single comment. Any comment you leave, I'm gonna be responding. So yeah, I hope you like it. Bye, Felicia.